My name is Don Moul, and I am the President and Chief Executive Officer of the Tennessee Valley Authority, the third largest generator of electricity in the country. I think energy is going to be one of the top 2 or 3 critical issues for the world and for the country over the next 2 or 3 decades. That means transitioning this energy system and doubling or tripling the size of it as energy becomes more and more important to people's lives. In the early days of Google and TVA's partnership, Google built its data center at Widows Creek in Alabama, right on the site of a retiring coal plant. Google and TVA worked together to procure clean energy to help power that facility. And now we're seeing that renewables are not enough. They're not the only answer. Moving on to partnering on nuclear technology, which can become that next wave of carbon-free energy that deploys across TVA and across the nation. The Kairos Hermes design can be integrated quite easily into the transmission system, paired in the long run with businesses like Google's, who are driving energy demand. Anytime you develop a new technology like this, at the beginning, the first of a kind is going to be much more expensive and much more risky to build than the nth of a kind. Google stepping in and helping to shoulder the burden of that cost and risk for the first of a kind not only helps Google get to those solutions, but it keeps us from having to burden our ratepayers with development of that technology for the nation. So it is not just good for Google, it is good for TVA's 10 million customers, and it's good for the United States.